Welcome friends. In this tutorial we learn about the tuples. Tuples are like lists but their elements are fixed. That is, once a tuple is created, you cannot add new elements, delete elements, replace elements or reorder the elements in the tuple. You create a tuple by enclosing its elements inside a pair of parentheses. The elements are separated by commas. You can create an empty tuple and create a tuple from a list. If the content of a list in your application should not change, you can use a tuple to prevent elements from being added, deleted, or replaced accidentally. A tuple is very much like a list except that its elements are fixed. Furthermore, tuples are more efficient than lists due to Python's implementation. As shown in the following example, t1 is equal to blank, t2 is equal to 1, 3 and 5 and t3 is equal to tuple 2 into x for x in range 1 and 5. Now we see the sets. Sets are like lists in that you use them for storing a collection of elements. Unlike lists, however, the elements in a set are non-duplicates and are not placed in any particular order. Creating sets. You can create a set of elements by enclosing the elements inside a pair of curly braces. If your application does not care about the order of the elements, using a set to store elements is more efficient than using a list due to Python's implementation. This tutorial introduces how to use set. The elements are separated by commas. You can create an empty set or you can create a set from a list or a tuple. Now we see manipulating and accessing sets. You can add an element to a set or remove an element by using the add or remove method. You can use the len, min, max and sum function on a set and a for loop to traverse all elements in a set. You can use the in or not in operator to determine whether an element is in the set. Now we see subset and superset. A set S1 is a subset of S2 if every element in S1 is also in S2. You can use the S1 is subset method to determine whether S1 is a subset of S2 as shown in the following code. S1 is equal to 1 to 4 and S2 is equal to 1, 4, 5, 2 and 6. We fire the query S1 is equal to S1 dot is subset S2, then it gives the value true. Now we see the comparing the performance of sets and lists. Sets are more efficient than lists for the in and not in operator and for the remove method. However, sets do not support the index operator because the elements in a set are unordered. The elements in a list can be accessed using the index operator. To traverse all the elements in a set, use a for loop. Thank you friends. Now we see the dictionary. A dictionary is a container object that stores a collection of key value pairs. It enables fast retrieval, deletion and updating of the value by using the key. First of all, we see the creating a dictionary. You can create a dictionary by enclosing the items inside a pair of curly braces. Each item consists of a key followed by a colon followed by a value. The items are separated by commas.